Hey guys, I forgot to record an intro for this video. The following clips are of us installing the short block back into the WRX. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you watching. Enjoy. Well, the camera died. I don't know if we got putting the clutch on there, but there it is. Here's the old throwout bearing, nice and shiny, and there's the new one.
What is with these two pins, dude? You see that? I think you see where those line up? That doesn't...
I can't see them.
Yeah, I don't like what I'm seeing.
Unbelievable. My camera won't focus on it. There it goes. One has to open up to accept the other.
Nice money shot.
Yeah, we just need to see if it's plugged in. That's it.
We throw away something. What's in the garbage?
Engine has to come out.
Are you kidding?
Wonder if the big giant trigger that goes between goes on the back of the flywheel is missing. And you find it in the trash, and you realize the entire engine needs to come out to put that on. Alright guys, I didn't really film it, but we did pull the motor back out of the WRX and get the crank trigger put on there. It was not a fun thing to do, but we got the engine back in, about to hook up the downpipe and all the other things that still need hooked up and fire this thing up for the first time. Alright, so we're putting in the IAG air oil separator. We've already done quite a bit of the work and I screwed up and didn't film it. So now you go to see the rest. It's actually quite involved to install this thing. Alright, we just got the IAG air oil separator in here. If you're doing this install, the IAG instructions are quite bad, which is a pretty big disappointment considering that thing's $500. We watched a couple other YouTube videos. There's a couple good ones out there. Right. Now we're putting on the Grimspeed top mount intercooler. It's a pretty nice unit. Now you're just gonna crank until I tell you to stop.
quicker?
Yeah, it's fine.
No.
I'm impressed that that happened. How long will it have to record? We're looking at each other. No.
I think I was more nervous than Stetson.
I was pretty fucking nervous.
All right, we're filling up the coolant. Just put the radiator in it and serpentine belt. Lauren's down there on the ground looking for leaks, or maybe he's trying to take a shower, I'm not sure. But about to bring it up to temp.
We're looking for like between 84 and 86, I think. If it's a 180 degrees, I don't know.
We can wait for the fans to come on.
All right, give us the review of the clutch.
All right, clutch is initially it was actually very, very heavy. Not insane, but I definitely felt it. So we've done a little bit of driving in it now, and it actually does not feel all that different from stock. If anything, it's a little bit springier, but I'd say beautiful. Feels just feels like stock.
And that's a South Bend Stage 3 daily. Can hold up to, I think, like 450 foot-pounds. So it's pretty decent.